Hey guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another opportunity for you guys, which is HAL Recruitment 2020 for freshers and apprenticeship diploma. Before moving on to the details of HAL Recruitment, let me tell you about our channel. So we provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation materials for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Moving further to HAL recruitment. So HAL is hiring freshers as technician, apprenticeship, diploma, aerospace, civil, chemical, CSE, EC, EEE, mechanical and in Bangalore. The detailed eligibility criteria and application process for the recruitment has been discussed in the website, so you can refer to the website if you have any kind of queries. HAL recruitment details. So this is the company's official website. Position is technician apprentice. Training period is 1 year. Stipend is 8,000 per month. Job location is Bangalore. Then we came here with eligibility criteria. So candidates should complete the diploma or provisional diploma certificate in the respective disciplines from a recognized board of technical education in India. Respective disciplines: aeronautical, aerospace, chemical, civil, electrical and electronics, metallurgy and material science, mechanical, industrial, computer science, information technology, information science, technology, electrical and communication, telecommunication, etc. Note: so candidates who have completed 3 years after obtaining diploma certificate are not eligible. Candidates with work experience of 1 or more years are not eligible, and the marks obtained in diploma in all the semesters must be mentioned clearly. Then there is selection process. So selection will be based on merit, based on marks scored in qualifying examinations. Candidates shall indicate the aggregate percent of marks scored in all semesters, and reservation and selection of candidates will be as per government norms. Shortlisted candidates will be informed through HAL web portal, SMS alert or TTI notice board. So how to apply? If you have more queries, so there is a link provided. You have to click on this link for more details, and you have to click here for applying. So let's click on this and we'll move to another website. So as we can see that this is the official website for NATS. So the first step for applying is you have to log in. Either if you have account, so you have to log in, and if you do not have account, so you have to click on enroll and you have to create an account. So you have to provide your all the details to them, and once you provide all the details, at last of this you will receive a email ID and password. So moving on here, one link is also provided for more details and apply, so you have to click on this link. And as you can see that there are 2 PDFs provided, so you have to download this notification for diploma 2020, and in this PDF there are steps provided to apply for the job. But the foremost step is to create an account on NATS website, and once you receive the email ID and password, then you have to download this PDF and follow further steps. Moving on to Fresher Camp website, so we have provided all the details regarding the job eligibility criteria and application process. You can refer to the website if you have any kind of queries. Link for HAL recruitment is provided in the description. So thank you.